This is a dessert disguised as a salad. And for all intents and purposes today, we're gonna call it a salad. So this is my Snickers Candy Apple Salad, and this is one of those fun, delightful surprises that you stumble upon at a potluck or any kind of a family gathering, and it is a jackpot. So today I'm so excited to be sharing with you this recipe. This is one that my aunt made for ever and ever, and we were always digging through the salad a little bit to see if this was actually the one, because it is delicious, it's sweet, and it has all the components of a dessert, but it's disguised as a salad. Okay, so for the ingredients, this is what you're gonna need. You're going to need some Granny Smith apples, and the really crisp, tart Granny Smith are very important here. And then we're also going to make like a pudding base. So I like using butterscotch pudding, but a white chocolate would also work. And so I have my milk and my pudding, and then we're going to fold in some whipped cream, and I have this ready here too. And you could also use Cool Whip in this, but I prefer whipped cream, so we're gonna use that. And then 6 candy bars. That's why it's actually a dessert. It's not a salad, but we're gonna call it a salad. Anyway, 6 Snickers, and these just add like this like chew and then like a little bit of peanut, and anyways, it's just a really fun recipe that everybody loves. Okay, so to prepare our ingredients, I'm just going to cut an apple here, and you want it just in little like maybe 1/2-inch chunks. That is great. Just take the core out, give it a quick little dice, and you only need about 3. You could sneak 4 in if your apples are a little bit small, but I'm just going to prepare my apples here. Okay, and then for the pudding mixture, I'm just going to mix my pudding and my milk. And of course, I have all of the instructions in the recipe in the description box below. I have all the instructions in the description box below. So our milk, and then I'm just going to use a little whisk and whisk out any clumps, and that's going to get a little bit thicker as we stir it. Just stir it for about, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes here to make sure it kind of thickens. And then we will fold in our whipped cream. As you can see, it's like no more clumps there. That's great. And now I'm just going to add my whipped cream. And your ratios for pudding to whipped cream are going to be about 50-50. So that's an easy, if you have leftover pudding or something, this is an easy recipe to make. And this really makes like this caramely, yummy salad. There we go. Okay, and then to prepare my Snickers bars, I'm just going to unwrap them and then use a knife to cut them into about 1/2-inch chunks as well. And it's important to reserve about 1 candy bar for a garnishment on top. I like it when salads, when you kind of know what's inside of them. So this will be, I don't know, let your secrets out. This is a dessert disguised as a salad. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a quick chop about down the middle on all of these. And I'll save the last one to put on top. And then there we go. And you have these like nice little chunks here. Okay, so to combine this, I'm going to add my apples, and then look at those yummy bits of Snickers Candy Bar. There we go, and then I'm just going to mix this up. There we go. And then I'll show you how I like to top it off, because it isn't the prettiest salad, but I feel like I found a way to make it a little bit pretty. Okay, so here is my salad, and the way I like to finish it off is I like to take a little bit of a caramel drizzle. I know, on the salad. Anyways, I like to just drizzle a little bit so that you kind of know like it is a dessert here. And then also it's just pretty. There you go. And then I will add just like a few little bits of my cut up Snickers bar. And it really is like a good amount of apples to candy bar, but it's just a really fun summer recipe that's easy to take to a potluck and really easy to make too. So there we go. Here is my Snickers apple salad. All right, here is my Snickers apple salad. You are going to be the favorite auntie or the favorite uncle if you make this for your family gathering. It is so fun to make and even more fun to eat. So now it is time for a taste test, and I don't mind if I do. I'm gonna get just like a little chunk of apple and then also a chunk of the Snickers. So yummy. This is so good. That pudding, I'm a sucker for everything butterscotch too, so delicious. Thank you for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Of course, there's always a printable recipe card in the description. You can follow along. You can have your kids make it. It's super simple and they can just follow along with the video and the recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.